Welcome to our channel, where we are dedicated to sharing delicious recipes and health tips to support your wellness journey. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of cabbage soup and its incredible benefits for your health. Cabbage soup has been cherished for generations as a hearty, nourishing dish that not only satisfies the taste buds but also provides a plethora of health benefits. From boosting immunity to aiding in weight loss, this humble soup packs a powerful punch of nutrients that your body will thank you for. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to make your own nutritious cabbage soup right in your kitchen. But before we delve into the recipe, let's explore some of the reasons why cabbage soup deserves a prominent place in your diet. First and foremost, cabbage is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall health. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system and collagen production for healthy skin. Additionally, cabbage contains vitamin K, which supports bone health and aids in blood clotting, along with vitamin A for optimal vision and immune function. Moreover, cabbage is rich in fiber, making it a fantastic choice for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall well-being. But perhaps one of the most compelling reasons to incorporate cabbage soup into your diet is its potential for weight management. Cabbage is low in calories and high in water content, making it a perfect ingredient for those looking to shed excess pounds. Plus, the fiber in cabbage helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Now, let's move on to the recipe. Our cabbage soup is not only nutritious but also bursting with flavor, thanks to a delightful blend of herbs and spices. We'll start by sauteing aromatic vegetables like onions, garlic, and carrots until they're golden and fragrant. Then, we'll add in our star ingredient, fresh cabbage, chopped into hearty chunks. Next, we'll pour in some vegetable broth and let the soup simmer until the cabbage is tender and the flavors have melded together beautifully. Finally, we'll season our soup with a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and perhaps a dash of paprika for an extra kick. As the soup simmers on the stove, your kitchen will be filled with the irresistible aroma of wholesome goodness. And when it's finally ready, you'll be treated to a steaming ball of nourishment that's as comforting as it is nutritious. So, whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your digestion, or simply enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal, cabbage soup is the perfect choice. Give our recipe a try and experience the incredible benefits of this humble yet powerful dish for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Here's to your health and happiness.